precision and perfection are two entirely different things. You can be precise. You can strive for that precision, but striving for perfection even is okay, as long as you are keenly aware that perfection in and of itself is unobtainable. We can come close, but we never truly will achieve it. So from that standpoint, understand what well enough is. Putting in the effort, making sure that you've given it your best shot and done the things that you can do to make it better is where it all stands out in the end. And that's when you can shut it off and feel good about yourself, and other people can feel good about what you have done, as if they know you've done all that you could do to make it the best that you can. And that applies to work, that applies to home life, relationships, hobbies, just give it your best, and it's all going to work out better in the end than you would have expected, especially if you didn't give it your best effort. Anyway, I'm going to continue painting, but go out there and create something. We'll see you again soon.